Good morning, everybody. Hey, here we go. Proof is in the performance. I always say that, and that goes out to my little friend, my bartender. The proof is in the performance. Again, this happens to be our 408 Windsor stroker. Just got done making 574 horsepower. It came out gorgeous. I don't know what to say, but it's got all the best of pieces in there. We started out with a Windsor block. We put a full Ford rotating assembly in this. We got AFR heads. We got a nice hydraulic roller camshaft. We got coil packs on the valve covers. We got the high ram from Holley, multi-port fuel injection on it. It's got a full CVF full boat system on this. Got looks, it's got power, it's got everything you can desire. Hey, check it out. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. That's nice to hear that up in the yards. Beautiful.